In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneNote from backup. If you've ever accidentally lost notes or need to retrieve previous versions of your work, OneNote makes it surprisingly straightforward, especially if you've used the desktop app's built-in backup feature. This walkthrough focuses on the desktop version, where you can pull content from local backup files. Keep in mind that if you're on the web or mobile app, or relying solely on cloud sync, the options will look a little different. Start by opening the OneNote desktop app and navigating to the File tab. From there, select Info, and on the right-hand side, click Open Backups. OneNote will display a list of backup folders and files stored on your computer. These are usually organized by notebook, and inside each folder, you'll find individual section files with date and timestamps. These timestamps are important because they help you choose the exact version you want to restore, which is especially useful if you're recovering content that was recently changed. Once you locate the notebook or section you want, double-click the section file to open it. OneNote doesn't merge the backup automatically. Instead, it opens the section in a separate area called Open Sections. This is convenient because it keeps your current notebook intact while you review the backup and decide what to restore. From here, you have two options. If you want to restore an entire section, right-click the Section tab in the backed up content and choose Move or Copy. Then, select the destination notebook and location. To keep the backup file untouched, select Copy rather than Move. Copying creates a duplicate in your live notebook while leaving the original backup intact, which is a safer approach if you might need to reference it later. If you only need certain pages, open the backed up section, right-click the individual page or pages you want, and choose Move or Copy. Again, select the destination, notebook and section, and use Copy to preserve the backup. This method is ideal for recovering a few missing notes without replacing a full section. Once you've restored everything you need, close the backed up section to keep your workspace organized by right-clicking its tab and selecting Close. Take a moment to confirm that all restored pages and sections are in the correct location, then continue working as usual. By using open backups, reviewing content in open sections, and carefully copying items back to your main notebook, you can safely restore entire sections or individual pages without risking your original backup. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.